Here's today's insight. If you could go back to the classroom and meet your younger self, what kind of teacher would you want to meet? Maybe someone who was patient when you struggled? Someone who believed in you when you doubted yourself? Or someone who didn't make you feel ashamed for making mistakes? Well, the truth is, we've all been that learner. And today, we have the opportunity to become that teacher for someone else. Be patient with a learner who needs more time. Be encouraging to someone who is afraid to speak. And be understanding of someone who keeps making mistakes. Because sometimes, what a learner needs isn't another correction. They need someone who believes that they can do better. So, don't just teach the lesson. Be the teacher your younger self needed. A teacher who listened, a teacher who encouraged, and a teacher who made learning feel possible. Remember, years from now, your learners may not remember every lesson you taught, but they will remember how you made them feel. This is the Daily Insight. Take it and make it yours. Learn, reflect, grow.